a couple days. So today, even though it's windy, we are gonna make the best of it, and we are heading to the marsh. So we'll take the channel. You'll see the green and red buoys this way. Choppy out here. As you can see, look at this. Skis just popping up and down. You good? You good? Follow the channel markers. Go halfway down. Go halfway down. Channel markers. Step out here. Alright guys, so I decided to fast forward through how much chop we had to go through. The winds were pushing waves all into our face and smacking us over and over. About to head in the marsh, take a couple of these guys that's never been. Again, it's a location. So they get the privilege of coming down the marsh, especially during high tide and lots of water right now. Oh, slow first. I'm gonna pull you out. Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the dust. And another one gone. And another one gone. Another one.
Hey, you didn't throttle through this, did you? You're like, oh. Oh my God, you're close again. me, guys. I really like to explore. And right now, I just went through an area. I'll show you a picture. I don't know if I was recording or not, but it was like an area where it was super narrow. And I was like, yeah, can't go through that fast. Was it a lot? Yeah, I had 2 chunks in there. Lots of fun on the marsh, and it was all worth going through that major chop, getting slapped in the face with all that water.